Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In this video, I'm prepping my garden beds and looking around to see what needs to be done outdoors in my backyard garden. Early spring is a good time to prune your fruit trees. Today, I'm pruning back my contender peach tree. Pruning in the spring reduces the risk of pest infestation. It also makes it easier to see the tree structure without all of the leaves, which gives me a better idea of the shape I'm cutting it into. Now, I'm a really tall person at 5 feet 1 inches, so I had to stand on my tippy toes in order to prune that fruit tree. I went ahead and pruned my fig tree as well. I decided to save the cuttings and I placed them in soil. Hopefully, I'll grow some new trees. We'll see what happens. Let's fill up these raised beds. Hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2025. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. I've got some new gardening gloves from DLY. I'm loving these gloves. I recently did an unboxing and review on the gloves. Go over and check out that video. They're super cute, super stylish, functional. I love these gloves. If you're interested in a pair of these gloves, check out the description of this video. Adjustable straps. For those of you who are new here, I purchased 2 new metal raised beds. I'm in the process of filling them up. I've already started filling them up with dried leaves that I collected in the fall. I also purchased some potting mix as well as some soil conditioner. So here I'm gathering a few more leaves and then I'll add the soil mix. Each year I'm always amazed at the amount of leaves that fall from the trees. There was a time when I was totally annoyed by having to collect leaves, but now they're so useful in my garden. In the fall, I also collected a lot of these leaves. I placed them in plastic bags and poked holes in the bag. I have them off to the side to decompose so that I can one day use them in my garden, also called leaf mold. This is such a great way to utilize what you have lying around in your yard. Buying soil from the big box store can get really expensive these days. I'm hoping to get fruit this year from my fruit tree. This cherry tree is going on 4 years old, so my understanding is that I should be receiving fruit the 3rd year. I did see flowers last year for the first time, so I've got my fingers crossed this year. Hopefully we'll receive fruit. Even if it's just one little piece of fruit, I'll take it. Here I'm setting up a trellis to support climbing plants like tomatoes, cucumbers, and maybe some vining flowers. Still haven't decided exactly what I'm going to plant here, but whatever it is, it will need support. ELOC Nation, y'all know one of my favorite things to do is compost in place. Why bury kitchen scraps? Because they reduce waste, enriches soil, promotes healthier plant growth, promotes sustainable gardening practices. All of those good things. Yes, return organic materials back to your soil. Let me know, did that pep talk just win you over? Let's fill up some grow bags. Hi, Delta. Hey, buddy. Eden. Hi, Eden. Hi, Nala. Hi, Coda. Gonna need a little bit more soil in this bag. Take a little out and put it here. Always fold it down. All right. I've been feeding these two tires compost tea over the winter. The pine needles are there for protection and to mask the smell. Oh, that's such a beautiful view of the garden. I love how those orange and purple pansies came back with such brilliance, just raw beauty. I'm cleaning up this hibiscus plant. I'm cutting away all of the dead branches. It is a perennial in my Maryland Zone 7 garden. It gives me the biggest, brightest red dinner plate flowers. I'm planning on saving the seeds this year and giving lots of them away. It blooms on new wood, so pruning early spring can actually encourage more blooms by promoting new growth. Look at this, y'all. I winter sowed these mustard greens. Oh my goodness, they look so good. My son now loves broccoli, so he is going to eat this up, literally. These mustard greens overwintered pretty well. We had a harsh winter, but they survived. Onions are doing pretty well. So far, this has been a very productive day. And of course, weeding. It's usually always on the list, especially this time of year. This is mugwort. I planted this for the first time last year. It is a perennial herb in the daisy family, known for cooking as well as dealing with digestive issues in the body. I use pine needles in my garden over the winter to protect my soil from erosion. So as I'm cleaning this out, I'm noticing that whatever it was I grew in this pot, there's so many roots here. I am all for leaving roots to decay and break down in the soil. However, this container is so small, the roots are taking up half of the pot, so I'm going to remove them. I love how these gloves are really long, so I'm able to reach down to the bottom of this container without getting my arms dirty. So I love the length on these gloves. And these gloves are machine washable. So the more that I think about it, I may plant some cucumbers on this trellis here, as well as lots and lots of flowers in this bed over here. I want to invite all the pollinators. I love when the birds and the butterflies and the bees visit my garden. I just want there to be lots of color as well as food growing, of course. So I'm excited about doing this section of the garden up really big. I love this soil conditioner. It's so dark. looks so healthy. I love it. I am feeling accomplished. We got a lot done today. I pruned my fruit trees, set up trellising for those vining plants, filled up my grow bags as well as my 2 new raised beds, picked up some leaves, and I still have some other debris that I need to pick up. I will continue to be looking around, picking up debris. The dogs are barking. I'm trying to make a video here. The winter sowing jugs and bottles, they're waking up. We'll be planting out this spring garden in no time. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.